this season, I win all the time. Oh, that's cold. All right, cool. So this season, yeah, I win no matter what, yeah, because I either win a trophy, yeah, or all hail Lord Berta that has walked through the door, yeah, and he will collapse this brother, and Big Diego will roll into my club. So I win regardless. Either I get a trophy or I get someone coming that will bring me a trophy. My new leader is Andrea Berta, yeah? So big him up because he had Gyökeres's agent at the stadium watching us packs up Real Madrid 3-0, you get me? So whether we win a trophy or not, it don't matter, people, because I still win at the end because I get what I want. You don't know. Been at the training, watching the training because he's trying to figure out, how are so many men dropping like flies? Let me go see what I got in the training. He's been there. He's already bringing the brother that I wanted, that you man all told me is crap. I never watched Coventry and all them things there. And Northside was telling me I don't watch the Portuguese league in Gyökeres. He had his agent up in the stands today watching the game, and his agent's going, raw. All right, Victor, you know what? Yeah, I think Arsenal is the destination you need to go to, you know.
Really? You speak Portuguese, yeah?
That's what he's saying to him. He's looking mad, yeah.
And
yeah, so
You're doing the ninjutsu, the Naruto ninjutsu, Portuguese ninjutsu.
Yeah, come on.
The shadow clone jutsu and that, bro. The shadow clone.
Oh, yeah, shadow clone jutsu.
Yeah, come on, man. I felt as a proper G, you know. Like, come on, let's be real, yeah. As Arsenal fans, let's be real, yeah. When was the last time we saw a brother move this quick coming into our club? Bro, he's moving quick. He's not playing no games. He's not there to. He hasn't even. There's been no video dropped about him. There's been no him on camera talking. None of that.
So moving quick, like Berta. So what's he done? Tangible evidence. What's he actually done?
Brother, Gyökeres.
Yeah, but what's he done? How do you know that? Because you read the Sun newspaper.
Oh, so you think he's done nothing?
Yeah, what has he done? I'm just asking.
Not yet.
That's it, not yet. But I'm saying, what's he done? You're saying he's moving like mad. When's the last time When's the last time you've seen someone move this quick? But okay, what's he done?
Oh, okay.
I just want to know what he's done.
You may not be aware of this, brother Aaron.
I don't know. You
may not be aware of this, brother Aaron. But
enlighten me, brother.
Yeah, we actually can't sign anybody yet because the transfer window's not open.
Yeah, so he's not done anything then. So what you're saying, he's moving mad, so he hasn't done anything.
He's putting the work.
So he hasn't done anything, is what you're saying, but he's moving mad apparently. How can both?
Well, he's done things because at your job, if you do nothing,
how do both things exist when he's moving mad? When was the last time you've ever seen some geezer move like this? But he's also not had any time to do anything. So what exists? So which one is it? Because both don't exist.
Aaron, I'm gonna need your number, yeah. So when we sign Gyökeres, I can call you.
I want us to sign Gyökeres.
Yeah, no, you don't.
But he hasn't signed him yet. So what I'm asking you is you're moving like he's done loads of things. I've just asked you what has he done, and you're like, he ain't had time to do them. So what are we talking about?
No, he's already been speaking with.
How do you know? Oh, because you read the Sun newspaper.
Yeah, but there's a lot of clubs that
you know that show. You know that girl show. My sister used to watch it. Gossip Girl. Now I heard from so told me.
Well, get BBC, man. Come on.
You man don't believe reports?
I mean, the vast majority of them, no. Because guess what? If we believe reports, Arsenal would have signed 485 players in the last 2 windows.
Oh, so you actually? So what do you man talk about them? Like, you know,
we definitely don't talk about the same things you do. I mean, we talk about things that actually happen, most likely to happen, not dream.
So you don't think So
you haven't actually answered my question yet. I'm saying you said when was the last time you've ever seen a man move as fast as this? And also, I asked you, okay, what's he done to make him move this quick? And you haven't said anything. So basically, we're linked with one geezer. Okay, we're linked with someone every single. So I'm just asking you what constitutes this excellence that he's already done.
Say a done deal was not the same as a.
I just want to know. I just want to know what he's done so far. I don't know. I want you to explain it to me because I'm not sure. I'm not in the know.
Maybe I don't know. Maybe you don't have a logical.
You don't know exactly. That's it. You
No,
haven't
no,
asked
no,
your own question. You don't know. Yeah.
Hey, brother, why do all of you angry man?
But I'm saying you can't come out with statements like, "Oh, when was the last time you moved like that?" And then when asked why, you ain't got a fucking Scooby Doo.
Every time,
you ain't got a clue.
every time I open my mouth, you open your mouth. So either you want to talk or you want to listen.
Okay, do you know what? That's a very fair point. I'll listen.
Okay, cool. So
very fair point.
So I don't know. Maybe you don't have a logical train of thought, yeah. But when our new when our new director of football comes in, yeah, and then I'm seeing reports of how Arsenal are again. You want to talk or listen?
No, you're absolutely right. Again, sorry, I can't help myself.
Okay, no, it's cool. I can't help myself with some things as well.
Yeah,
it's fine. We all have our flaws. Cool. Now, if you see in reports,
I'm listening to yours right now, but yeah, go on, carry on.
Arsenal being in concrete talks with Sporting about the deal over Victor Gyökeres, and then
where did you see that? Football.London. Sorry, I've done it again. Sorry.
And then after that, you see Victor Gyökeres' agent at the Arsenal stadium for the very first time.
Yeah.
This all like, I mean,
how do you know he's not signing from Madrid?
I mean, because why hasn't he gone to the Madrid stadium?
Yeah, but
they're not playing in Madrid Stadium tonight.
You remember when we got knocked out the cups, and all of a sudden there was reports saying that Zubimendi deal is done at that time.
Agents at
now there's the talks of Zubimendi's there, and we're looking to get the deal done. This is why they contradict themselves all the time. I remember when we were going to get Cunha, nothing came of that, and then we was linked to Isak, nothing came of that. We'll look to bring
but the thing is, just because they don't happen.
This goes even further back, bro. Most of the stuff that we're reported on, especially now, you're doing your channel and you're doing well. Let's be fair, you're doing well.
Ah, he is, man. Smashing every day. Big up. Like and sub to Hooks, man. Big up.
Yeah, make sure you're subbing to Hooks.
Big up, man. Yeah. You are good.
Let's be real now. Bullshit aside, jokes aside, just for a moment,
Imagine entering.
Just for a moment, You cover the news, or you see the news all the time when you're thinking of streams you're gonna do, bro. The same thing gets regurgitated. How many times have they said deal done or deal close to completion, and then all of a sudden weeks go by, Arsenal are monitoring, and then we never even end up getting them. Most of them, bro, we don't get over the line. We were supposed to sign Gyökeres. They've been telling us that deal was close for time. Isak deal was close for time. They were linking us to all sorts of players. Santiago Jimenez, I remember we was linked to him for time. Yeah, the last 2 years, we were linked to him within the last year or two. And then he goes to AC Milan. This is why I don't trust him.
Sesko.
You get me? Sesko, another one. Bro, there's bare players that we get linked to, Majority of it is bullshit, bro. I know deals do fall through, but the way they report it is if it's done, and it's not done, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm not doing that. What I'm saying to you,
but you're talking on it like it's certain, when in reality, none of us know.
Okay, cool. Like, in the sense that none of us know anything, cool, whatever in it. But what I'm saying is that we just had a new director of football come in who has a CV, who I think at least everybody here trusts tenfold more than Edu. Yeah, the same director of football who's known, for securing deals for strikers. Yeah, we all know this. Yeah, yes, we've been linked to Gyökeres for a very long time. Edu probably wasn't able to get it over the line. Within this brother being in the club 2 to 4 weeks, the agent of said striker that we're being reported by quite a lot of sources that the deal, Sporting are willing and are actively talking to Arsenal. The agent of that striker is now at our ground watching Arsenal. Like,
look, so I don't know if you know this, but the transfer window ain't open yet, and basically what you're describing is tapping up.
But what I'm saying is, no, it's not tapping up because we've already been given.
No, we haven't.
We have. But okay, cool. If you don't believe the reports, that's fine. But I'm believing in the fact that the Andrea Berta, I'm believing in the fact that Andrea Berta is not a dodgy dealer. So if you think Berta's a dodgy dealer, that's a different story. But for their agent to be at our ground, I would then have to believe said report saying that we've been given permission to speak with Victor Gyökeres. I would have to.
What if he's in London sleeping with his mistress and just fancy watching a game of football?
Remember when our fans were back in the airplane? Do you remember? And the car with Isak. They're tracking the car and he's in London. All these things don't mean anything, bro. Like we've seen players in London, we've seen agents talking, deals happen and deals fall through.
He could be talking to Chelsea as well.
Like I remember do you remember Alex Teixeira? Do you remember Alex Teixeira?
Yeah.
He was gonna leave and he was gonna go to I think it was Liverpool. Yeah. I think this was in halfway through Klopp's first season. What did he do? He was talking and then he switched his mind, went to China. Like these things happen, bro. Oscar as well. Oscar was supposed to make another move, He left Chelsea and went to China, bro.
Shanghai, man. Yeah, they came straight.
This is the thing, we could be talking, but that doesn't mean that 30, we're gonna get it over the line. That's the thing. Loads of agents talk. Talk goes around. All the time.
I never saw this with Edu.
Huh? But let's be real,
Did you ever back Edu?
Hooks, if any specialists come through, if we get a goal scorer, that's Berta signing. If we get a specialist in any position, it's a Berta signing because this manager don't sign specialists in any position.
No, but I think any signing we do now is a Berta signing. I believe that's why he's coming.
Did you back Edu? Like you back your manager and your club?
No, I wanted Edu.
You back them all.
No, I wanted Edu out.
When from when though?
For like the last
So you don't back your club then?
I didn't like Edu because Edu was inept. Like he just wasn't good, bro. Like
based on what opinion? Because that opinion is like what we feel about Mikel Arteta.
No. Do you know what? No, do you know what it is?
I'm just trying to gather what you constitute as inept, so we can sort of get some like
You
disparity.
know what it is,
between like what? Come, sorry.
When
basically Berta's won shit and Edu hasn't, but with Arteta we moved the goalpost because it doesn't matter about winning shit. Yeah. So it's only for supporting them.
No, but look, that's not,
we don't like a winning manager.
Yeah, but Northside, that's not fair to say to me.
It is fair.
No, it is though, because it's literally exactly the same. Because you're now comparing Edu, who you don't like, to a person with a CV, and now we're saying that Arteta is our Edu.
Because you can talk about Edu's inexperience and not winning. You can say about Arteta.
Wait, it's like being around a pack of hyenas.
Don't stall.
Like,
don't stall.
I open the mouth and then everybody else's mouth.
You're the one that joined the stream doing LLL.
Yeah. You got to hold it.
No, but I came in.
You came on with that energy and now it's being matched and you don't like it. Come on. No, we're just matching your energy now.
Wait.
You gotta go, and all of a sudden you're available now.
Wait. I actually do have to go, but I actually do have to go, innit? Yeah.
He said this 45 minutes ago.
Yeah, I actually do have to go, but like, you know what it is? Let's be real. When I came in, I didn't start making noise. I actually sat here.
You did. You were the only one making noise.
I sat quietly.
You changed the energy.
No.
Come on.
I sat here quietly, and I let brother Femba Banks, talk his talk. And then when Northside introduced me, that's when I opened my mouth. Because I don't cut people off. Because that's not part of my repertoire. You know what I'm saying? You get it? Yeah, man, I'm respectable.
You and my girl have been very negative today when I've been very positive. So I think you guys are the problem. Because I'm watching Arsenal winning comfortably against Roma. She's arguing with me, when I'm trying to focus on the game. And then you come into the stream with me, Aaron, Femba. Well, I know he's upset at the moment, but Femba, you could be happy, innit? You actually got a sporting director and owner, you know what I'm saying? That they're not going to settle for this, innit? You know you're going to be out.
And they've won trophies this season as well. Don't forget that.
I mean, trophies, schmoffies for you lot. You know what I'm saying?
Honestly, I still want the man gone, man. Man. I still want him
gone.
We're
out of every trophy there is.
No, we're not.
The Champions League.
Think about Champions League last season. You know what I'm saying? Just you know what I mean?
Are Arsenal still in the Premier League? Did you just say that, Hooks? Are Arsenal still in the Premier League? You said no, we're not. To what Rashid said. Are you saying that Arsenal still in the Premier League? Or did I miss it?
No. I refuse to have this conversation with the current set of people that are in the room.
Because we're not going to feed your deluded ego.
No. Because I will say one thing, and then you man will start going back in time in the past and about this and that and this and that. When I said nothing and it has no relation, because all I'm saying is mathematically they haven't won the league, which is a fact.
Hooks, man, come on, man. You were on the run. It was all right.
I'm not saying I'm going to I'm not saying Arsenal's going to win it. I'm saying mathematically they have
that narrative ain't narrative in, bruv. Do you know what I mean? What we doing here?
You know the one thing. What's actually crazy though? The one thing
Cool, mate.
in the world that you can't argue with is math. Math is never wrong.
I mean, from that standpoint, I suppose you're technically right, but I mean, from
No,
a thousand other points around it of logistics.
But are you going to say sorry
realistic
though? Are you going to hold the L when we don't win the Premier League, when we didn't win the Carabao Cup, when we didn't win the FA Cup, and so on?
And we'll talk about the total points.
Who do I have to apologize to?
Maths were never wrong, Hawks. What points did we accumulate this season?
Who do I have to apologize to? By the way, I'm curious.
Huh?
But I kind of understand where it's coming from,
bro.
because
The question. I just need to answer the question. It's a simple question. How do you know that Bruno Guimaraes rejected Arsenal for Newcastle?
reports.
There you go. Like
So when it's to slate on Arsenal, you believe the reports, but when I say reports, you don't believe.
But it also doesn't work the other way around. So if
No. I wasn't the one discrediting reports. I wasn't the one discrediting reports. It was you, man.
You're picking and choosing the reports now.
No. I wasn't the one discrediting it. I wasn't the one discrediting reports. It was you, man. How dare you bring up reports?
So that's credible then. So that's credible.
No. How dare you discredit reports and then bring up a report?
No, by your standard, that means it's facts.
No. What are you doing, Northside? Please, I know you like to run this agenda thing, but listen to what I'm saying.
You say because you see the report, it's facts. You see the report, so that's facts too.
No.
Now because it's a report you don't like, now it's not facts.
No. Bro, because it's a report that you don't believe in, you slated the report, but then you brought up a report.
It's factual, so it's factual.
Whenever a report slates Arsenal, it's factual. But when it's a report that's a bit positive about Arsenal, then it's not. This is what I'm
just saying.